Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Gemmy Inflatable Replacement Fan is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for keeping your festive decoration standing tall and proud, ensuring that your yard remains a beacon of holiday cheer throughout the season without any deflated disappointments. Number 5. Hiboom Replacement Fan Blower 12V. Introducing the Hiboom Replacement Fan Blower. It provides a consistent and powerful stream of air to keep your inflatables perfectly inflated. This mini air blower comes with a 6.6-foot light string featuring 3 bright LEDs. It's designed to illuminate your inflatables and the surrounding area, creating a magical ambience. Simply connect the adapter to a power source, and it delivers a steady 12V 1.2A output. This ensures your inflatables remain full and vibrant throughout the event. This compact yet powerful blower is perfect for decorating a wide variety of inflatable shapes. From ghosts to pumpkins, it adds a festive touch to any holiday celebration. Crafted from thick ABS and PC materials, it's insulated, waterproof, and heat-resistant. The package includes the blower, a light string, and a 1.5A power adapter for your convenience. Light up your Christmas or Halloween inflatables with this essential accessory. It's the perfect addition to create a memorable and eye-catching display. What we like. This option comes with an integrated light string featuring 3 bright LEDs, perfect for illuminating your inflatable from within. If you're looking to add an extra magical glow to your decorations without needing separate lights, this is a fantastic choice. It provides consistent airflow to keep your inflatables looking their best all night long. What people say. This fit just fine. It's a little bigger than the original but don't seem to matter much. The lights on this one are also way better than the original light the pumpkins had. Also like how easily you could take this blower and switch to another inflatable. Easy to install, good quality, bright lights, good size. Our Inflatable Minion's motor stopped working last year, so we got the new motor, and with the lights he's brighter than before. Fan worked great. The decoration filled with air stayed inflated during heavy wind. Number 4. Gemmy 1.5A Fan Blower JDH1232S. Introducing a powerful fan blower designed to bring your Gemmy Airblown inflatables to life. This 12-volt, 1.5-amp unit ensures optimal performance. It comes complete with a 1.5-amp adapter, providing a reliable power source. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. This model also features an approximately 6-foot LED light string. Enhance the visibility and appeal of your inflatable, day or night. Before placing your order, please verify your inflatable specifications. Ensuring compatibility will guarantee a perfect fit and function. This is the JDH1232S model, a direct replacement designed for specific Gemmy inflatables. It's built for durability and consistent operation. What we like. This model offers a 1.5A output, ensuring a strong and reliable airflow for your inflatables. If you need a straightforward replacement for a compatible Gemmy inflatable and want to ensure it's powered adequately, this is a solid pick. It also includes a light string for added visual appeal. What people say. A nice replacement of an original fan, and with the LED light string made it even better. It inflates much better and faster than original equipment. The blower fit perfectly and went in with little effort. Number 3. Gemmy Airblown Inflatable Fan Blower 1.0A. Introducing a powerful 1.0-amp fan blower, designed as a direct replacement. It ensures your inflatable gets the air it needs to stay inflated and looking great. This unit comes complete with a 1.0-amp adapter, providing a reliable power source. You won't need to search for a separate adapter, it's ready to go. It also features an approximate 7-foot LED light string. This adds a vibrant illumination to your inflatable, making it stand out. Before placing your order, please verify your inflatable specifications. This step is crucial to guarantee that this replacement part is fully compatible with your existing unit. This is model number JDH9733S, specifically designed for Gemmy Airblown inflatables. It's the perfect solution for a reliable and effective replacement. What we like. With a 1.0A output, this fan provides a gentler, yet consistent, airflow, ideal for smaller or less demanding inflatables. If you have a specific inflatable that requires a 1.0A motor or prefer a less powerful but still effective option, this is the one to consider. It also features a slightly longer LED light string for more versatile placement. What people say. It took only a few minutes to remove the old fan and lights, and these plugged in as a perfect fit. The lights snapped right on and the fan fit the original zip lock, although a new zip lock was provided. The lights illuminate perfectly and the fan keeps the entire device inflated. The replacement LEDs are cooler and brighter than the originals, which makes Snoopy look much better at night. It was cheaper than replacing the inflatable and was very easy to replace. The inflatable works as intended, and I recommend this fan blower to restore your inflatables. No special tools or skill needed. Number 2. Gemmy YEF-80 Replacement Fan with Base and Lights. Is your favorite Gemmy Airblown inflatable not inflating? This replacement fan is the perfect solution to bring it back to life. It's designed to get your decorations standing tall again. This fan boasts a powerful 120V motor, operating at 60 Hz with 0.45A and 3,150 revolutions per minute. It ensures a consistent and strong airflow to keep your inflatable perfectly inflated. You won't just get the fan, this package includes the essential base and a light string. Everything you need for a quick and easy setup is right here. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this fan is built to withstand various conditions. Decorate your porch, yard, or living room with confidence. Manufactured by Gemmy Industries, a trusted name in inflatables. You can count on the quality and durability of this replacement part for seasons to come. Replacing your old fan is straightforward with this unit. Simply connect it, and watch your inflatable inflate with ease. Get your display looking great again in no time. What we like. This fan operates on standard AC power, 120V, and is manufactured by Gemmy, ensuring compatibility with their products. If you prefer an AC-powered option or need a replacement that includes the base unit, this is a great fit. It's designed for reliable indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile choice for your holiday displays. What people say. Works great. Blow up is up and strong again. The lights are much brighter than the old ones, and it is much quieter when compared to the old motor. This is a really good item for drop-in-place replacement for Gemmy products. Number 1. Gemmy Inflatable Replacement Fan JDH1232S. Is your inflatable losing its shape? This powerful replacement fan is designed to bring it back to life. It's the perfect solution for a deflated display. Featuring a 6-foot light string with 3 super bright LED lights, this accessory ensures your inflatable shines, even after dark. It adds a vibrant glow to your decorations. This unit comes complete with a 12-volt, 1.5 amp adapter for consistent and reliable power. You can trust it to keep your inflatable perfectly inflated. This is the specific replacement fan for model JDH1232S. It's engineered to provide the correct airflow and power for compatible Gemmy inflatables. Before purchasing, please verify that this is the correct motor for your inflatable. Checking your original motor ensures a perfect fit and function. This replacement includes a 1.5A blower and 3 super bright LED lights, all powered by a 1.5A adapter. It's a comprehensive solution for your inflatable needs. What we like. This replacement fan boasts a high static pressure rating, ensuring it can effectively inflate even larger or more complex inflatables. If you're dealing with a particularly stubborn inflatable or want the most powerful airflow possible, this is an excellent option. The inclusion of super bright LEDs adds a vibrant touch to your display. What people say. Fan is plenty strong for this inflatable Santa on the sleigh with 2 reindeer. He had noticeably more air pressure inside and stood up straighter than before. Even when the inflatable was still wet, it fully inflated the decoration. The lights are very bright too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.